Hello, happy Sunday everyone. My name is Denny Julius and my teammate is Leyla. Today we will talk about the companies of TCT Trading and Mr. DIY. Of course, we are from the subject ELC270, English for Workplace Communication. And this is our first assessment. Talk about the TCT Trading Siren Berhad. TCT Trading provides diverse retailing services to support the demand of retail trade. When you look at here, TCT Trading Siren Berhad background, he increased demand of retailing outlets parallel with the increment of population yearly. TCT Trading provides a diverse retailing to fulfill demands by supplying goods of various range, concepts and brands. Starting from Kota Kinabalu, TCT is the now renowned company at Sabah, Sarawak, South Peninsula, Malaysia, Indonesia, China and many more countries. On TCT Trading Siren Berhad, their mission is to provide everything that we are looking for the customer. We are looking for at the most available price with the most excellent services, like cheaper, a very lowest price than other company. TCT Trading constantly exploring for new goods and new ideas so that we can provide a wide range of products and goods to our customers, at the most available price. So for the vision is to be the best. Be the best is the vision of TCT Trading. Is a very general, yet very specific. We want to be the best. They want to be the best what they are doing, from the quality of the goods, to the friendliness of their employee, from the location of the outlets to the services they are provided, and they want to be the best. The unlimited purpose is that all their customers will receive the best from them. In December 2008, their company TCT Trading was awarded the SMC Rising Star Award 2008 by the Small and Medium Industry Association of Malaysia, SMI, which marked our first milestone in the FMCG industry. To firm of their products and services qualities in July 2009, TCT Trading Siren Berhad was once again awarded the Asia Pacific International Entrepreneur Excellence Award in the categories of excellent service quality and excellence leadership. And then the next is the Golden Bull 2009 Award, figure 3 in October 2009 was another achievement for them, for their group, which has strengthened our faith in our business, in their business model. So for the directors is the Dato Tan Kah Ho, Dato Louis Tan Kah Leong, Mr. Ang Sun Yong, Madam Tan Pulsi. Actually, they are siblings, and one of them is the Mr. Ang Sun Yong is their brother-in-law, and they are all of them is the managing director and the founder of TCT Trading Siren Berhad. So they are developing and executing the company's business strategies, providing strategic advice to the board and chairperson, preparing and implementing comprehensive business plans. Similarities. So you can look at similarities here. When we look at similarities between Mr. DIY and the TCT Trading, they have a few similarities, of course, which is the first one is the same business concept, where there's two premises conduct retailer businesses. Both type of these companies running the retailer businesses, for which TCT does business is imported food products, beauties, aids, stationeries, household products, toys, seasonal items, home suppliers, and etc. While DIY those businesses as a hardware, household, electrical, finishing, just like car accessories, stationeries, and like sport toys, gift, computer, mobile accessories, and like a cosmetic. Yeah. And then the second one is the most recognition. Both of this company has the recognition, where TCT has awarded some Rising Star Award, Golden Bull Award 2019, and Golden Eagle Award 2019. While DIY is the best CFO in Malaysia, most organized investor relation, and the best senior management IR report. And the third one is the value of money, lower prices. Both of this company offer the lowest price. Collaboration, both of the what is a run the relationship with other businesses, like examples, Mr. DIY with a large retailer, and mall owners operating as a mini acre tenant in a lettuce giants, Aeon and Big Aeon. While TCT Trading Sdn Bhd also with a one-stop superstore, collaborate with one-stop superstore, Linso, like Orange Convenience Store, Century Department Store, like Oki Shop and Dr. Hedy.
Okay, Mr. DIY first opened on Jalan Tunku Abdul Rahman in July 2005 and has now grown to become the large home improvement retailer in the region with stores across Malaysia. Most Mr. DIY stores encompass about average 10,000 square per store, providing a comfortable and well family shopping experience. In addition, Mr. DIY serves more than 80 million customers yearly at all stores in Malaysia and Brunei, as well as online store. Besides, all Mr. DIY stores managed directly and in collaboration with large retailer and mall owners and operating as a mini anchor tenant in Lotus, Giant, Aeon and Aeon Big, with 10 category which is hardware, household, electrical, furnishing, car accessory, sport, toys, gift, computer, and mobile accessory, and cosmetic in each store. Then Mr. DIY offer an average of 18 variety of product at always low price. Now we are going to the vision of Mr. DIY is to be the largest home improvement retailer in Malaysia and Brunei. For the mission to create a globally recognized retail brand to offer a device retail experience catering to different customer segment, meaning it meets our taste and make it easy for our to find necessary item in one store. And last, to maintain a wide variety of good quality and value for money items, thereby holding true to motto, always low price. This is the organization of Mr. DIY Group, followed by the highest is independent non-executive chairman is Dato Azlan Shah bin Alias, then Tan Yuyi is vice chairman, and Ong Chu Jin Adrian is executive officer, chief executive officer. Then they have four of director is Bramal, Nang Inpeng, Lee Chong Yin, and Dato Hamida Naziadin. The slideshow, there are three different for both company is TCT Trading is a business concept and have some store, while Mr. DIY is only one company and with large retailer. Then TCT Trading, importer, wholesaler, retailer of fast moving consumer good FMCG, and Mr. DIY provided home improvement retailer. Other that, TCT Trading constantly exploring for new good and new ideas, while Mr. DIY just maintain a wide variety of good quality and good value for money items that we can buy the cheapest price. That's all from me and my friend Denny. So thank you so much.